You'll have love at first sight with the 2018 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, wood grain interior trim, heated rear seat, four-wheel drive, fog lamps, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.